Hi everyone, it's Louise from Louloupurple. Today I'm going to be showing you a new product to me called Opal Polish. I'm going to show you how to use it and then make a quick birthday card at the end. I'm going to be using some new products that are new to my shop. The first one is an embossed folder, which is made by Creative Expressions, called Cogs and Gears, and I'm going to run this through my grand caliber. So this one is called Pink Thistle, and it says to prime your sponge with water, so I'm going to do that first. So this is the first time that I've used this product, so I'm going to do my first bit on a test piece of card, and I'm just applying the polish onto the sponge, and I'm just going to gently rub this over the top of the raised image of the cogs and gears. As you can see, this piece is a lovely lilac-y purple colour and it has a wonderful pearlescent sheen to it. I'm just going to apply some more polish to the larger pieces of card that I have used the Cogs and Gears embossed folder on. So now for a bit of magic, if you use the same polish on a piece of black card, the polish goes a metallic-y pinkish colour. So at the end of it you get two colours from one pot of product. The next one is called Copper Pearl, and I'm going to use this on the white card, which gives you a very subtle white, creamy white pearlescent colour. And if you use it on black card, it goes a wonderful copper colour. The last one I have is a Lavender Blue, and if you use this on a white piece of card, the colour is a lovely pale blue. And if you use it on black, it goes a lovely lavender colour. You can also use this polish on your stamps, so you can apply the polish to the stamp and stamp them onto different coloured cardstock. You can also use your polish on wood and MDF. You can also use your opal polish through your stencils. You can also use this product as a paint. You can add water to it because it's water based, but you can use the colour neat if you want to, just using your paintbrush. I'm now going to move on to the card. I'm going to use my Cogs and Gears Embossed Folder on a piece of pre-cut card, and I'm going to put that through my grand caliber. For this card, I'm using the Copper Pearl Opal polish, and I'm going to apply this onto a black piece of card and onto a white piece of card. I forgot to say as well, this product dries really quickly. I have gone ahead and used the Sue Wilson Happy Birthday die. I have used this on my card that I've used the opal polish on, and I've cut the happy and the birthday out 2 more times on just black and white card. I'm going to use my Cosmic Shimmer glue to stick the 3 happies together so that this makes the saying a bit like chipboard, so it's a lot thicker than it would be if it was just one piece. I'm going to mat and layer my cogs pieces of card onto a black piece of paper, and I will trim this around the outside edge and then mat and layer that onto my card base. I'm just gluing the happy birthdays to my cards, and I have swapped the colours over. And that is this project all finished. Now I have used the Copper Pearl polish on these 2 cards, and I've also done the same with the other 2 colours, which I will show you in a moment. For these 2 cards I've used the pink Thistle opal polish, and the last 2 I've used the Lavender Blue opal polish. If you would like to buy any of the products I've used in this video, they will be listed on my website blog post. I will leave a link in the description box below this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Links to my website, Facebook and more will be in the description box below, or click on the end screens at the end of this video. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you got inspired.